Hello children, let us study 30, 60, 90 theorem. Okay, in your syllabus it has been splitted into two parts. First part is a theorem and the next part is a corollary. Okay, we will study both together and combinedly it is called as a theorem. 30, 60, 90 theorem. Okay, let us study. What is the theorem? If the measures of the angles of a triangle are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, if the measures of the angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, then the length of the side which is opposite to 30 degrees, the length of this side will be half of the hypotenuse AB. Okay, now this is the theorem. And the second part is the length of the side opposite to 60 degrees will be root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Okay, so side opposite to 30 degrees. 30 degrees के सामने वाली साइड ये हाइपोटेन्यूज के आधी होती है, and the side opposite to 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 times of the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse and this is also the hypotenuse. So the two perpendicular sides can be expressed using the hypotenuse. This is applicable only in 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay. Let us start the proof. The dotted portion, the slashed lines, they always represent construction. So what is the construction? We have to mark point D using this length. Okay, so take length CB and mark one point on D. But how to write that? Produce segment BC. Segment BC को बढ़ाओ up to point D such that BC is equal to CD and C lies between B and D. Okay, the construction can be explained in different terms, not necessarily as it is given in the textbook, but it should be correct. Okay. After getting this point, drawing this point with this one, that means draw segment DA. We have written that. Produce a segment BC from D towards C. Produce up to point D, such that BC is equal to CD. C lies between B and D. Now this is the safety measure, safety precaution. Okay, that C lies between B and D, and then draw segment DA. So in other words, what I have done, I have printed the upper triangle like this. The reflection of this triangle along line AC. Either place to print that. That is what I have done. Okay. Now, in triangle ACD and ACB, I am taking the lower triangle on the left side. There is a purpose for doing that. Okay. In this triangle and this triangle, let us see. AB is congruent to AC is congruent to AC, self-congruent. Every segment is congruent to itself. If this is a right angle, automatically this will be a right angle. There is no need to give justification of it. Just write, this is the right angle, therefore this is the right angle. Both angles are congruent. ACD and ACB, they are congruent because both are 90 degree angles. Okay. Then segment CD is congruent to segment CB. We have done that construction. Okay. Therefore they are congruent. BC, CD and CB, they are congruent. And therefore these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. Side is congruent to itself. This angle is congruent to this angle. This side is congruent to this side. SAS test. So the two triangles ACD and ACB, they are congruent to each other by SAS test. Now if these two triangles are congruent, obviously angle D will be congruent to angle B. Angle D will be congruent to angle B. corresponding angles of congruent triangles. But what is given to you about D? D is a 60 degree angle. So D is congruent to B and D is a 60 degree angle. So D will also be a 60 degree angle. So we have written, but D is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore D is equal to 60 degrees. In a triangle, if two angles are 60 degree angles, third has to be a 60 degree because the total has to be 180 degree. So angle B and angle D are 60 degree angles. Therefore angle BAD, I am considering the largest triangle, ABD, largest triangle. This angle is a 60 degree angle, this angle is a 60 degree angle, and therefore this angle BAD will also be a 60 degree angle by angle sum property. Two angles are 60, 60, so third angle will be 60 degree. Okay, therefore the triangle is an equilateral triangle because in the equilateral triangle all angles are 60 degree angles. If it is an equilateral triangle, what is the next conclusion? All three sides are equal. I have written all three sides are equal. Now, according to my construction, BC is half of BD. इसको double किया ना? So obviously BC is half of BD. BC is half of BD, but BD is equal to AB. So in place of BD, you can write AB. So I have written BC is equal to half of AB using equation 1 because these two sides are equal. Equilateral triangle की sides are. So we have reached to the conclusion. What conclusion? The side opposite to 30 degrees is half of the hypotenuse. Okay, BC is half of AB and AB is the hypotenuse. Okay, so BC is half of the hypotenuse. Now, till here I have put a cross mark here. What is the reason? In the textbook, you are given this as 30, 60, 90 property. Okay, till here. But the extended part, that is part number 2, that AC, this side is root 3 by 2 times of hypotenuse AB. We have to prove that. So that conclusion you get by using this conclusion, using this theorem. So whatever you get using a theorem, that is called as a corollary. So this extended part is a corollary, but combined you can call that as a theorem. Okay. So in triangle ABC, angle C is a 90 degree angle, this is a 90 degree angle. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem, AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. We have written. But BC is half of AB, so in place of BC I have written half AB from equation 2. Okay. Half of AB means AB by 2. What do you mean by half of AB? AB upon 2. So if you square this, you get AB square by 4 and transfer that to the right side. To the right side it becomes minus AB square by 4. Simplify this, 4AB square minus AB square, 3AB square by 4. Take the square root. Square root of AC, square is AC. The square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2 and square root of AB square is AB. So what do you get? AC, this side, AC is root 3 by 2 times of hypotenuse. Okay, so we have completed the proof. Now this is the height of this triangle. So the final conclusion which you get can be memorized as the height of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 times of side. I will write here. Okay, special note. Height of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 times of side. This conclusion is actually this. Height of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 times of side. Okay? Thank you, children.